Hey everybody, Scott here. I want to show you these ArmorSuit protection screens for our S25 Ultra phones that we just got. So this is a 2-pack, and obviously this is the box it comes in. So we'll go ahead and take these out of here and show it to you. All right, so got everything out of the box. So here's some liquid to help, is your installation spray to help with applying it so your fingers don't get fingerprints all over it. So you want to follow the directions with that. Here's your cleaning cloth, your microfiber cleaning cloth, and a squeegee. And then here's your protector screens. So they come in this little package here, and you'll want to follow the directions. You can scan QR code to watch some videos and stuff to be able to install them. Here's your active warranty. Here's stuff about your active warranty. Some tips on the back here. There's another QR code, and then your instructions in here. So make sure you follow those when you're installing. But just wanted to show you these screen protectors real quick. We've got 2 of them here, one for each of our phones, as my wife and I both got the same phone for the S25 Ultra. So that's pretty much it.